Oh, I almost stood on that. Look at that nice little wattle bush down there. Oh, he's nice, isn't he? By himself, having a good time. Let's go take a closer look at him. He's a nice looking little fella, isn't he? Sorry, I just killed you, buddy. We must get to this bush. I'm attracted to bright colours. Here we go. Oh, dude, that's a good tree, mate. Yeah. Look at that. Is that pretty? Oh, nice and yellow. Look at that. Look at that. If I look down there, you can see a couple more little wattle trees popping up, which is early because it is nowhere near spring. We are smack bang in the middle of winter. You guys are coming up just a little bit early. He's only come down recently. He's still got some green on him. Ground got too soft, buddy. You got done up. It's bloody windy here, as you can see. Wow. Yeah, that's erosion for you. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Shit, that looks like it goes for a fair distance. Bet it goes all the way down to the bottom of the hill. Jesus. Some bunny diggings. He's obviously been here for a bit because there's a fair amount of shit here. It's that orange shit that grows on old fucked up wood. It's a lone tree. He's all by himself. How the bloody hell did he get out here? He's from over there. That seed must have travelled a fair distance in the wind. Spreading them seeds. We have a star picket. That's interesting. Used to hold something up, not anymore though. And here we have dam number 1, or dam number 3. It's the top dam. That white pipe up there, that runs through to the road. And there's a drain up there that collects all the water from that whole hill. And then burst out down there. Let's go have a closer look. And look at that. It's dug out all the dirt. You can see where it enters. That's some fine engineering. And this pipe is that one up closer to the house. I wasn't lying when I said it was long. Here we have a little shed with an old pump in it. Hey, that's where those deck chairs got to. That is a kitchen knife. Stainless steel, 8-inch. And yabby nets. I'll leave this here because someone's going to need that. Close that bad boy up. Before we go look at that dam, let's have a look over here. This is pretty cool. Now this is another feat of good engineering. Look at this. Dam fills up. Gets to that level right there. Flows through here. Through here. Now the water just trickles all through here. Through here. Through here. And down to here. With the majority of it going down here. Dam number 2. If we make our way around over here, there's another awesome feat of engineering made out of concrete, mate. Sturdy. You ain't going nowhere. He comes off the driveway. Here we go, yabbing net. Remnants of a good time. 2 yabby nuts. And a plank of wood. Chair. Random. Yes. Yes it is. You goes there. Take a seat. Pull up a stubby. Fire pit. Nice little view onto the dam. Bad little spot. Should gotta shut the gate, Jim. This is bunny central here. Wouldn't be surprised if we see one. Should have brought the old shotty down with me. Big mama tree. Big. Strong. Ugh. Gross. Just almost stood on that carcass of what appears to be a roo. Yep, that's a roo carcass. There's his tail. Something's had a nibble at that. That's fucking disgusting. At least he's not in that drinking water though. And here we reconnect with Big Mama Pipe, who pumps from the top dam into dam number 1. The king of the dams, this one. He's a big one. He's deep. He's real deep. And interesting to note, he's actually a different colour from the other dams. Not muddy looking. Well, it's dark. Dark soil. Leech City in there. Along with King Dam number 1 comes King Pump. He's the king of the pumps, this fella. Let's have a look at him. He is Mama Pump. Or Dada Pump. He's a big bastard. That drops down a couple of meters. Don't know if you can see that. Don't want to drop the camera in there, so I'm not going any closer. Cheeky bit of storage. A couple of tinnies. When you turn the pump on, you'll have a tinny. Right, let's close this bad boy up. You don't want it. Right. Now, I've walked down to King Dam, who's over there. And now, unfortunately, I have to walk back to the house, which is up through that way. You'll see it in a minute. Here it comes, here it comes, yep, there it is. Fuck walking back to the house. Why? Ugh. Gotta follow the driveway for them easy trails. As opposed to direct route, straight up that hill. Nah, fuck it. We'll take the direct route. We've come across a cheeky little clearing. Now all those little black dots, that's roo shit. They obviously really love it down here. That's roo shit for days. Righto. Let's continue on with the direct route to the house. God damn it. Why? Why must I pick direct route? Ah! Prickles, prickles. Prickles, prickles. Prickles, prickles, buckets. Ah! We're almost out of it. I'm almost home. Yep. Oh yeah, there's the house. There we go. There we go. Out into the clearing. Out into the danger zone. Shit gets real out here. And there's the dam. And there's our direct route. Oh yes. Pushing on. So we've made it this far. Bloody fresh out here. That's what happens when you have those big nights. A couple of cheeky beers makes walking up this hill bloody difficult. Look at that big mama tree right in front of that dam. He's bloody huge.